In this video, we will see how to connect to a Beckhoff PLC using C# application. Let's start. First, we need to add the reference to twincat.ads.del this file. Okay, the reference is added. Double click on connect. Okay, but before I need to add a using twincat.ads. Okay, that's our driver, and just under the public because I want to keep that instance as a public. So there I need a TC-ADS client, and there is the suggested name. Let's say TC-ADS. Okay, can give it any name, new, and TC-ADS. Okay, so there is our new object is created. Let's go to a PLC connect button. TCADS dot connect, open the bracket. Now here it asks AMS address, so our will be address text box net ID dot text. Okay, and comma, here we have to provide a port number, so I'm using TwinCat 3, so by default the port number is 851. If you are using a TwinCat 2, then it might be 801 or 800. It depends on again which PLC, which model you are using, BC 9000 or is yeah, other one. Okay, that is created, and okay, let's rebuild. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a breakpoint here. I will see if some data comes here or not. Okay, now we need the net ID. So this will come from where? It will come from this is the TwinCat, and first of all let me just close everything. Okay, so now you have to open this area system, and you see there this is router. Click on router. First of all you will go to a current routers, but you have to just jump on net ID, and here also there's the local, that's for your PC, and this is the target. Copy and paste here. If I click on next, now let's see what will happen. So far it says, because okay, now if I press F10, there is all these details. Target address is this, client address is that, connection state is connected. So our PLC is successfully connected. Now let's start with the read analog. Now how to read a analog. Double click on, and here just go again to the public visibility, and here you need a private variable that will, it's like a private instance for a interface with the Beckhoff. It will read that symbol information in that variable. Okay, so we need a just a private, and there will be a ITADS symbol. itads symbol, and just give it any name. Any name means that at least you will remember for what you are using it. uh, let's give any name. Give it a pot, and you must initialize it as a null. Okay, let's rebuild. Let me see. Oh, it's already running. Therefore that, yes, now it's right. Okay, where we were, read analog. Now how do we read analog now? We have to connect that pot that we have variable. It's going to tc.ads. Just now we created one instead, and read symbol. Now first of all you have to read a read symbol info. Once this pot have got that read symbol info, so then you can read the symbol. Now read symbol info, and here we have to provide a name of a PLC underscore allow input and dot input 0 1. So here you might be wondering what is this PLC and from where this is coming. If I open my TinCat PLC, go to PLC, and you will see under the global variables there is this PLC underscore AI, PLC underscore AI, and inside of the PLC analog input 0 1, and the PLC is live now, therefore you can see a 1 signal. So value is updating here. Okay, so that is the symbol we are going to read, but first we are going to read the symbol info here. Okay, once we have got the symbol info, the next stage is we have to read then we need to read information that contains in analog input 0 1. Okay, let's start declaring a one variable. Int will be, let me think a name. Okay, something pt 101. pt 101 is that symbol, is a variable, and now convert dot to int. Inside now we need a tcads dot read symbol. So now this time we are going to read symbol, not the symbol info, because we have already got the symbol info. uh, okay, everything looks right. Let me put a breakpoint just to see. I have already copied that address. It's connected, and if I press read analog, so first of all it got all the values here, and if I press now F10, now you can see PT101 has got 12936. It will be more or less 1293536. Okay, so it means everything is working so far. Now the next stage is I have to show that value in this text box. This text box has a name. What's the name? Text box read analog input. Now is the third stage is text box dot what was that? Read. Text box read analog input dot text. So there I'm going to read a actually PT101. Now is a problem because this PT101 is an integer type, so I have to convert to a strings, so then I will be able to display on the in the text box. Dot to string, I think that's the easiest way. Okay, run. And where is PLC? Okay, I have already copied that address, that target device address, read analog. So you can see here that value I can read. Same, there is another way of reading it. What we will do simply, I'll just grab a one timer, and this timer will be interval 100. Okay, and okay, let's leave it false. I'll just put that part into a PT101.2. Oh no, so then the problem will be I have to take everything out from here and put it there, so then it will be happy. Now what I will do only here is a timer 1, I think, yeah, timer 1 dot enabled equal to true. Oh no, I have to get again my PLC address, copy, paste, connected, read analog, and come here. So now you can see it is updating every 10 millisecond. Okay, and now this actually the same thing, same rule will apply for all other. There is no difference. Yes, there is a difference only when you have to write. For the writing, actually where you are saying read symbol info, you have to just write, you have to write to the variables, not the read. But in next video I will try to make that as well. And thank you very much for watching this video.